All right, y'all. We are back. We are looking for shorts today. I want to target this London low. That's what my eyes are going to be set on. I do want to see 8 a.m. high get swept out and then us break structure and trade lower. Both charts are looking very similar. The only real difference is that these session lows are a little bit closer to each other. We do also have this high time frame high right here that we could potentially come up and sweep. We also do have this high now that I'm looking at it. But yeah, basically we're just going to be sitting here waiting for some buy side to get hit. Once buy side gets hit, we're going to be waiting for a break of structure. After the break of structure, we're going to be looking for a PDA to get tested and confirmed. And then once it's confirmed, then we're gonna enter. So market's open now. We don't have any high impact news coming out today, so nothing to worry about on that front. I am sort of using this new version of my strategy, so hopefully we're able to catch a win today. I've been back testing about 2 hours this morning, so hopefully we're all warmed up, we're all ready, and we can get you a little bit of profit today. We got white peach today. Bam. White peach. It's kind of eh. Not a very big peach guy. Not a big peach guy at all. I never do this just because I don't feel like ever doing it. And that's one of the reasons why. It's because, yeah, that's all fucked up. I'd much rather just hit one of these. And then put it on half the screen. Have view on this half. Can close that. Just gonna keep these up here until we sweep out buy side. Cause I just don't wanna accidentally miss anything. There's buy side. Excuse me. Also, if you want to see if you want to see a written form of my bias, I post it every morning in the Discord. So I will have it linked down in the description. It should just take you right to that bias. You might have to verify once you get into the server, but you should be able to see that bias for free. So off the rip, ES is looking like our weaker index, which is good. I like trading on ES over NASDAQ anyways, just because we can have two contracts. It's a little bit easier to deal with, a little bit of drawdown because we got two contracts going. We're so close to taking out that 8 AM high. There's an 8 AM high taken out. Looks like we're trying to trade lower. What's good is we haven't formed any fair value gaps yet. We've only been moving to the upside. So that shows me that we don't really want to push high up there. If we did, we would be doing it with speed and volatility, which would leave behind fair value gaps, but we're not. We're sluggishly moving higher. Now we're starting to tip over a little bit. There goes our break of structure. NASDAQ break structure. This is going to be the only PDA that we can retest here, which would be this order block. ES hasn't broke structure yet. I don't know. It's kind of surprising to me that NASDAQ is moving lower right now, and ES is just slowly moving up still. Still haven't seen a fair value gap get formed. Okay, so we're testing that order block. I don't think I'd want to enter here, just the way that ES is moving. Doesn't seem like we're going to want to respect that order block. Oh no, I might be wrong. We're just here to trade the setup. Right now it's looking like we're going to get a favorable close. Okay, so we did get a favorable close, but we also formed this fair value gap right here. So I think I'll enter on the violation of this gap. I just don't want to enter here. I think we're going to come up and grab this 1 hour high. At least that's how we're moving on ES. Damn, I should have entered on that order block. I think it'll get stopped out though. Where we would have been. That's what we would have been looking like. And these wicks are making me think that we'll get stopped out on that. It's crazy we still haven't formed a fair value gap on here. We have on ES, but not on NASDAQ. It's kind of crazy. ES is moving strong to the upside. NASDAQ is moving sort of to the downside, but now we're moving strong to the upside. There we go. I think we'll see a run up in here. That probably would have stopped me out. We would have been right there, like 1 point away. There we go. We would have got stopped out. I'm glad I didn't take that. Good awareness there. I gotta take a piss real quick. We'll be right back. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to see this gap get violated. Don't want us to bounce off of that. That's for sure. Guess we can delete that now. We take out the high on NASDAQ as well. Hopefully we're not trying to come up here and take that out as well. That'll make shorts kind of hard to take. That's what we like to see. All right, there is some good price movement. I'm getting cold, if we're being honest. We're about to enter that macro. Okay, so we formed a bearish gap. Broke structure, tested this. Broke structure, tested that. If we close underneath here, I'm gonna enter. We're just gonna try to take it down to this 930 low. Actually, we'll take it down to 8. Technically, this is a favorable close, but we're still within this larger gap. So I sort of want to wait for us to close below here. Alrighty. Now we simply wait. And we watch. We're now testing it as an inverse gap. Ideally here we'd pick up some volume and close below all these lows. I really don't want to see it trade above that midway point. That was really not a good close for me. No bullshit. This is not looking good. We're not really moving nowhere, but we are moving a little bit higher. I mean, if we can close down there, we'd be looking pretty good, but uh-oh, our start might be in trouble. Our stop might be in trouble. We just slept out those built up lows. That's not good. We're about to get stopped. Where did I go wrong? I guess we didn't get a clear break of structure, but we did. That's frustrating. That is frustrating. Entered at 9:52. I guess we messed up because I entered after we closed underneath this gap instead of underneath this low. If we would have waited until we closed underneath the low, then we wouldn't have entered. And then we'd still be able to take this, even though I'm probably still going to come down and hit TPs. But I can't take it because I already took this and hit my max loss. Yeah, 62.96. Honestly, with the way crypto's looking, I'm looking like I'm gonna take out everything from crypto. I already sold everything on crypto. It's just limit orders that are set now, but I might just take that. It's a little over 950 left in there. And then of course we're gonna get this. Alrighty, well, there always is tomorrow. impact news. Wednesday we start seeing FOMC. Thursday, and then no news Friday. Alrighty, well, I'm going to get off here before I get tempted to take another loss. Unfortunate, but it's the price you pay when you're trying to learn. So that's how I got to look at it. I'm still learning. That's the cost for education right there. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we can execute correctly.